Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up settings. From here, choose about phone, scroll down and you will find factory reset option in here. When you click on it, it gives you a quick message that basically factory resetting your phone will remove everything listed right here. Now the most important things that it will remove are things like photos, backups, actually backups it shouldn't remove considering this is usually done somewhere else, contacts, and basically all user data that you put on the device. So if you want to preserve anything of that sort, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, proceed by selecting erase all data. Now it does give you an option to back it up right here. If you want to, you can utilize this, but I'm just going to progress straight to factory reset. Now because this is a Xiaomi phone, they do consider their users to be inept, so we are having 10 seconds wasted right here. So we are fully aware that it removes everything, and then we get another 10 seconds wasted right here just to make sure that they can beat that information straight into our head. From there, once the time passes, we can then press on OK, and it will begin the factory reset of the phone. Now this should probably take about a minute to maybe 3 minutes to finish up, and once it is finished, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.